Listen up, folks. If you're sitting there staring at your trading screen every single day, hitting buy or sell like it's your full-time job, I've got some hard news for you. You're not building wealth, you're digging your own grave in the market. I'm here as your guide, drawing from years of battles in the trading world, and today we're talking about why jumping into trades every day is the fastest way to lose everything you've worked for. This isn't just talk. It's the kind of wisdom that saved my own account and turned me from a stressed out newbie into someone who trades with calm power. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll feel that shift inside, the one that lets you step back, breathe, and win big without the daily grind wearing you down. Picture this. The market is like a wild ocean. Some days it's calm and inviting, but others, it's a storm ready to swallow you whole. If you're out there paddling every day, no matter what, you're going to get tired, make mistakes, and eventually sink. I learned this the tough way. Back when I started, I thought more trades meant more money. I'd wake up early, coffee in hand, and dive in from the moment the market opened until it closed. My eyes would burn, my mind would race, and at the end of the week, my account, it was smaller, not bigger. It hurt not just the money, but the feeling of failing over and over. I know that pain. Maybe you're feeling it right now. But here's the good news. You don't have to live like that. Trading isn't about being busy. It's about being smart. It's about waiting for the right waves, the ones that carry you far without the fight. Why does trading every day hurt so much? First, it drains your energy. Think about your daily life, work, family, maybe a hobby or two. Now add staring at charts all day, every day. Your brain gets foggy, your decisions get sloppy. One bad trade leads to another because you're tired and chasing losses. I've been there, sitting alone at night, wondering why I couldn't just stop. It's like an addiction, that rush of opening a position, but it fades fast when the losses pile up. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It will take advantage of your weakness. But when you choose not to trade every day, you reclaim your power. You sleep better, you connect with loved ones, and you come back stronger. It's touching how something so simple can change everything, giving yourself permission to rest. Another big reason, not every day gives you a real chance to win. The market moves in patterns, like seasons changing. Some days are full of clear directions, where prices move steadily up or down. But most days, they're messy, going sideways, tricking you into thinking there's an opportunity when there isn't. If you force a trade on those quiet days, you're just guessing. And guessing in trading is like playing a game where the house always wins. The big players, the banks and institutions, they don't guess. They wait, they plan, they strike when the odds are in their favor. You can do that too. Imagine the freedom of looking at the market and saying, not today, knowing you're protecting your money for a better shot tomorrow. It's empowering, and it builds a quiet confidence that no losing streak can shake. Let's talk money for a second. In simple terms, every trade costs you fees, spreads, even the time you spend. If you're trading daily, those costs add up quick, eating into any wins you might have. Plus, more trades mean more chances to lose. I've seen friends blow through their savings because they couldn't sit still. One guy I knew, a hardworking dad, lost his kid's college fund in a month of daily trades gone wrong. It broke him, and it broke my heart to watch. Don't let that be you. By picking your battles, you keep more of what you earn. One solid trade a week can outdo 10 shaky ones. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. And that quality comes from patience, the kind that feels hard at first but becomes your best friend. Emotionally, daily trading is a killer. It turns joy into stress. You start the day hopeful, but end it defeated if things go south. Over time, that wears on your soul. I remember nights where I'd question everything, my skills, my choices, even my worth. But stepping back changed that. Now, I trade when it feels right, and the wins feel sweeter because they're earned, not forced. You deserve that too. Think of trading as a relationship. If you're pushing every day, it turns toxic. Give it space, and it rewards you with trust and growth. That's the beauty, finding balance in a world that pushes hustle. As we move forward, you'll see how spotting those bad days becomes second nature. It's like learning to read the sky before a storm. Once you know the signs, you avoid the rain and wait for the sun. This knowledge isn't just practical, it's liberating. It frees you from the chains of constant action and lets you live a fuller life. So let's dive into how you can tell when to step aside, keeping your account safe and your mind clear. Recognizing when not to trade is like having a superpower. It saves you from heartache and builds your strength for the real opportunities. We've talked about why daily trading hurts, but now let's get into the signs that scream, stay out. These are the red flags I've learned to spot after countless lessons, and sharing them feels like passing on a family secret, one that can change your trading forever. First, look at the big picture events. Things like major news announcements, jobs reports, interest rate changes, they shake the market like an earthquake. Prices jump around wildly, and it's easy to get caught in the chaos. On those days, it's tempting to jump in for the excitement, but that's when losses happen fast. I once ignored a big news day, thinking I could handle it. Lost half my account in hours. The regret? It stung deep, like letting down someone you love. Now, I check the calendar ahead. If there's a storm coming, I sit it out. It's simple. Protect what matters. You can do the same, mark those dates and treat them like holidays from trading. Your account will thank you. Next, pay attention to how the market feels. Some days, prices barely move, stuck in a tight range, like a car in traffic. No big ups, no big downs, just back and forth. That teases you. If you trade then, you're likely to get stopped out over and over, losing a little each time. It's frustrating, like chasing a mirage. The key is to watch for energy. If the market lacks punch, step back. Use that time to review past trades or even take a walk. I started doing that, and it not only saved money, but brought peace. Trading isn't your whole life. It's a part of it. By avoiding these dull days, you honor your time and energy. Your own state matters too. Woke up tired, dealing with stress from home or work, that's a sign to pause. Trading needs a clear head, like driving a car. If you're not sharp, accidents happen. I've had days where personal worries clouded my judgment, leading to dumb moves. Now, I check in with myself each morning. Feeling off? No trades. It's self-care. Plain and simple. And it makes you a better trader in the long run. Imagine the pride in knowing you're in control, not the market. Also, think about the time of week. Mondays can be slow as the market wakes up from the weekend. Fridays, people wrap up, leading to unpredictable swings. I've found midweek often has better flow, but even then, not always. Test it for yourself. Keep a note of which days work best. It's like finding your rhythm in a dance. Once you do, trading feels natural, not forced. Weathering these no-trade days builds character. It's touching how patience turns into power. You start seeing the market as a partner, not an enemy. And as you get better at spotting these traps, you'll naturally gravitate toward the days that shine. That's where the magic happens, building a way to trade that fits your life, delivers wins, and keeps you hooked on the journey. Let's explore how to make that your reality, turning waits into wins that last. Now that you've got the tools to spot when to hold back, let's build something beautiful. A way to trade that's selective, smart, and soul satisfying. This is where it all comes together, the wisdom of why, the skill of when not to, flowing into how to strike gold on the right days. It's like crafting a masterpiece, one careful stroke at a time, and I promise it will touch your heart as much as your wallet. Start with your foundation. Know what a good opportunity looks like. Wait for days where the market shows clear direction, strong moves up or down, not the choppy mess. Look for patterns where price pulls back after a push, giving you a safe entry. It's simple. Enter when the tide is with you. I've refined this over years, and now my trades feel like home runs, not gambles. You can too. Practice on paper first. Build confidence without risk. Timing is key. Focus on peak hours when the market buzzes with activity, like morning sessions in major cities. Avoid the quiet times. They're traps in disguise. By narrowing your window, you cut noise and boost wins. It's freeing. Less time trading means more time living. Manage your money wisely. Risk only a small piece of your account per trade, say 1%. But on those perfect setups, you can go a bit bigger, knowing the odds are stacked for you. Set your stops and targets clear where you'll get out if wrong, and where you'll take profit. This protects you and lets wins grow. I've turned small accounts into big ones this way, and the joy of seeing growth, it's pure. Keep a journal, your trading diary. Note what worked, what didn't, how you felt. It's like talking to a trusted friend, uncovering patterns you missed. Over time, it sharpens your edge, making selective trading second nature. Test your approach on old data, replay past days, apply your rules, see the results, adjust as needed. It's building muscle without the pain of real losses. Mindset seals it all. Embrace the wait as part of the win. Visualize success during downtime. Surround yourself with positive vibes, books, walks, loved ones. Trading becomes a joy, not a chore. In the end, this path avoiding daily trades, spotting traps, mastering the hunt transforms you. You'll trade less, earn more, and live fuller. It's a journey worth every step, one that touches the core of who you are. Go out there, apply this, and watch your world change. Stay strong, stay selective,